Woven fabric is made of polypropylene and polypropylene flat yarn that composed of two parallel yarns. It has a relatively high longitudinal and transverse tensile strength. Woven geotextiles have good reinforcement, protection, and filtration effects. It can be widely used in railway, highway, sports hall dam, hydraulic construction, tunnel, coastal beach, reclamation, environmental protection, and other projects. Sewing sandbags sizes and colors can be customized. Filling sand and pumping the sand to the sandbag by pipe. Sandbag can be used for deck, cofferdam, and barrage. Under the sandbag, geotextile and grade geocomposite can be used for separation and protection.